So if you want to run a calculation on one or more series, you can select these series from this box, and they show up here. And then you have your basic math functions here. You can select divide, and then you can select another series, or you could punch in a number. I'm going to select the X field, and then this label up here is what the series is going to be called after it does the calculation, and this is the units that it's going to use. I'm going to delete that. So then you can hit equals, and you have your data. So you have some basic math functions here. You have parentheses so it can be nested, and I also put out a save key so that you could save these off to memory, and I have a few that I've previously saved. This one calculates the dB of air. Over here I thought it'd be really handy if you could do unit conversions. So I can turn all these megahertz to hertz by clicking on this label, and it just didn't change this file. It went and changed all 180 of these files to hertz. And for example, I could change all those volts per meter to milliwatts per centimeter by clicking here, and there's all that data. Okay, so the calculator is pretty cool. Out here I have the file view, which allows you to look at all the files that are loaded, and it also has a grouping function. It's set on range, so it's putting all the ranges together. You could pick some other entry. You could pick technician. Here Curly tested this one. I guess the rest were, nobody did them. Let's put it back on model. Then these 5 columns here can be set up to display any information that's in the header as well. So if you wanted to see the time, for example, you could put that here, and you could swap this out for the Windows user ID, and you can see I tested this one here. And then once you do that, you can click on this button and it puts it into a sort mode. So you can see that I tested all these down to here, and then those don't have an entry. So all 5 of these columns can be set up to display information that's in the header, and all 5 of them can be used to sort the data.